this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share song notes on Instagram. You can post any music as notes on your Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, just head into your Instagram message section. On this page, tap right here on Notes. You will see the music icon on the bottom on your profile icon. Click on it and choose any song of your own choice. Select any part of the song you wish to share.
Treacherous little twin.
Then after, add a precise note below. You can also choose who can see your music notes. Tap right here to select. You either share to people you follow and they followed you back, or to only your close friends group. Press on share and your music notes will get shared successfully. That's how easy it is to share song notes on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.